Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are reviewing a universal mobile phone cage designed for vlogging, live streaming, and mobile filmmaking. So that fits up perfectly with what I do. So I'm happy to show you guys this. It's for smartphones that are 1.97 to 3.1 inch wide. So you can tighten it using a screw integrated rubber pad to help absorb shock and prevent your phone from scratching. Supports horizontal or vertical shooting, 2 cool shoe mounts for attaching an LED light and a microphone. Multiple 1/4 inch to 20 that can be used to attach to a tripod and top handle. So they provide you with a manual. Also provide you with a camera you have for ISO and Android. This will allow you to take pictures. And I believe videos too, but check out the manual. So this is it. This is what it looks like. Now you would mount this on a tripod. And here's the slots that allow you to mount other devices as well. You also have positions as well there. You can loosen and tighten this depending on the width of your phone. So let's go ahead and test this out. So we got a thick case on here, so let's test this out. Place this down in here, line up our phone. Now all you do is you twist this and you make this tight. Just like that. And now you have this. So if you're filming, you're designing, whatever you're doing, you would grab it like this. And now this will allow you to professionally move around. Again, you can also put it on a tripod. You can position this however you want. So just like this, you could be able to move around. And you're not going to have that like jerkiness. You're going to be able to control it and move it at different angles like this. Have you ever wondered how these people get their videos so professional? Like they're moving around and it's not jerky. Well, they're using stuff like this. And you can mount mics down here, up here, depends on how you mount your phone. You can hold it like this for vlogging. So you can have it out like this, like, hey guys, what's going on? How you guys doing? So you can hold it out like that. You could use 2 hands. You can mount this on a tripod. Overall, I absolutely love this. So with this, you would connect with your Bluetooth. You go under your Bluetooth settings, have this turned on, connect to this, and this will allow you to control your phone with this remote. It's so simple, guys. Like, it is really simple. I actually love this, guys. This is really going to help us out. Like, really help us out. Look at this. This is so nice, guys. Wow.